guys, welcome to our Top Neat channel. Today we are going to start with our next topic, reproduction. Let us see whether this characteristic is a defining property of a living organism or not. Today I am not going to read it line by line. You read it on your own. I will just explain you with all the keywords and all the necessary things and make you clear about this property. So let's start. Here you can see reproduction likewise is a characteristic of a living organism. ठीक है, कोई भी living organism है वो reproduce करता है. reproduction को हमने आज तक as a characteristic of a living organism ही पढ़ा है और ये तो common बात है कि non living cannot reproduce themselves. ठीक है. Now we have studied that there are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Multicellular organisms always show sexual reproduction and unicellular organism shows asexual reproduction. They reproduce their progeny possessing features more or less similar to those of parents. Fungi reproduce by asexual spores, yeast reproduce by budding, hydra also reproduce by budding, planaria or flatworms reproduce by fragmentation. Unicellular organisms like bacteria, unicellular algae, amoeba, in their case reproduction is synonymous with growth, that is increase in number of cells. But there are many organisms which do not reproduce, like mules, sterile worker bees, infertile human couples. Now mule is a offspring of male donkey and female horse, and it is incapable of fertility. Sterile worker bees all are female, but they don't have same abilities as the queen bee has. So sterile means not able to produce or reproduce. So from their name only we can understand sterile worker bees means they are incapable of fertility. And infertile human couples, infertile means not being able to get pregnant. So infertile human beings also cannot be able to fertilize themselves or reproduce their progeny. Hence reproduction also cannot be an inclusive defining characteristic of living organism. So in non-livings of course we cannot see reproduction, but in livings there are some organisms which cannot able to reproduce themselves, which cannot able to fertilize or reproduce their progeny. Hence we cannot take reproduction also as a defining property of a living organism. We will continue with the next topic, metabolism, in the next part.